Sawadee khap, my orangutan friends and puan puan kuntai. We've got a little gem today. Oh, yes, we have. This is the London Street Food Cafe. I guess you call it a cafe. And it's on Klong 3. So it's been open quite a while now. And JP and Jay and a few other people I know have actually been there. And they've recommended it. They said you should really go because food's pretty good. Might take a little while to cook, but it is what it is, isn't it? If you have a look at the menu, you'll see that the prices are pretty reasonable for what you get. And they have lots of things there, British things. You can have like chips, fried egg and beans, and English breakfasts, and burgers, all those sort of things, even apple pie. And it seems that they're trying really hard to put new things on the menu all the time. So it's constantly being updated. So if you've been and you enjoyed it, go back because there might be more stuff there on the menu for you to try. Today I went for item 20, which is the big breakfast at £2.39, and I was not disappointed. The Cumberland sausage was huge. It was really big and juicy and it was cooked to perfection. We had 2 fried eggs and we had 2 bacon. They didn't put the little rasher bit on, it was the big chunk of it that you get. We had baked beans, grilled tomato, 2 of which, and 2 buttered slices of bread. And I went for a cup of, well, it wasn't a cup, a glass of cola, but you would normally get a cup of Yorkshire tea. So I swapped that out in my set because I don't drink tea, believe it or not, or coffee for that matter. And on Friday and Saturday you can get fish and chips. So, proper British style classic there if that's what you're into. So if I go down on a Saturday or on a Friday, I might try that. If you're looking for the place, you can't really miss it. There's a red British telephone box outside, and there's also a big sign at the top saying London Street Food. So it's quite easy to find down there in Klong 3. Well, that's it for now. So don't forget, as usual, if you enjoyed the video, to drop us a like, share with your friends, even consider subscribing. We're getting subscribers coming in, but like dribs and drabs, we get like one week and then maybe 2 a week later, but the numbers are getting up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. There's a lot going on. There will be in a few weeks because I'll be going on a trip to the UK and eating some British food, and also visiting some places in and around Manchester, all worth waiting for and watching. Adios amigos, bye!